I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by bitrefill.com, your one-stop shop to live on Bitcoin and Lightning. They've got all the best gift cards, things like Amazon, Apple, Best Buy, Airbnb, Uber, and much more. You can even do hotel bookings, you can do all of your travel, and you can now grab prepaid MasterCards as long as you have a US address that you can input. Check them out today, bitrefill.com. Links are down below to sign up now.
I'm excited about the bull run and specifically the new cohort of Bitcoiners that will be born during this bull run. And a part of that reason being just like the sheer amount of Bitcoin resources that these new Bitcoiners will have at their fingertips. Awesome freaking tutorials by Ben Sessions here to get onboarded. The amount of books, the amount of hardware that's been created, apps, articles, the podcasts, the local meetups. Shout out to Chicago Bit Devs and the Milwaukee Bitcoin meetup, which I attend occasionally. And these people just, they have those amazing resources to basically answer all their questions about Bitcoin from every different angle, to learn about sound money, the effects of inflation on healthcare, food supplies, everything like that, mining and, green energy, how Bitcoin allows for green energy creation to be profitable. The freedoms from authoritative regimes, reduction of government wastefulness, concentration of value and, value for value, and a concentration on just general production of members of society. And then, of course, banking the unbanked. All these people have all this stuff at their fingertips now. And especially, they have this banking crisis that they're seeing firsthand. So like, especially in the West where everybody feels cozy, right? They have another reason to kind of get in. But most importantly, I think, is the renewed energy that comes with these and patience that comes with a new Bitcoiner into the space to explain it to their peers and the people around them. To me, that's the biggest thing, because it gets tiresome. And I've not been in Bitcoin nearly as long as probably you guys and some other people, but it gets difficult to have calm, collected conversations with people that just tell you it's going to get banned. They'll never let it happen. It's wasteful with energy, like all the FUD that goes around. It's hard to have those conversations year after year after year. And I think we see some of those longtime Bitcoiners that have been out in front of the public that are just over it and they can't do it anymore. Right. And so every year we get, every bull run, we get a new cohort of like excited individuals that are just ready to freaking talk to everybody. And I think that it's just going to get bigger and bigger. And that's the reason that I'm bullish, because I think that those people and those relationships are going to, make this thing explode into the future.